Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern from Modern Salon TV. I am here with Sherry Doss, the Vice President of Education, Redken. We are here at RAC 2014, and that's the Redken Artist Connection. It is a 3-day seminar. It's pretty fabulous. Tell me what you're doing here. You know, what are the things that the 700 plus people here are learning?
Excellent. Thank you so much, Maggie, and thank you for coming to visit us. This is really a momentous occasion for us. Every other year, we do the Redken Artist Connection, a national event that we actually invite international attendees to come and join us. So this year at the Red Rock Hotel and Casino in January, we have 750 of our various educators or artists that facilitate for us, and that includes U.S. Redken artists, international Redken artists. It includes our national accounts chains educators, as well as T-SPA, our school franchise educators, and country education managers from around the world. We, of course, invite our internal staff, the field staff that represent this brand out there in the marketplace every day, and our salon-centric distributor partners.
So what have been some of the highlights? We're on the second day, and people have been buzzing. I mean, I love it because I go into the elevators and to hear what people are talking about. But what are you hearing? What have been some of the highlights for you?
For me, you know, we have been a company that's been around for a long time. And so really this is an opportunity for us to rebrand with the reinvention of our styling line. So this month in February, we will be launching our brand new styling package. And with that comes a rebrand. You know, Redken is at the forefront of fashion. We are in over 200 shows every year. And we are partnered with the hottest, most relevant fashion forecasters, Guido Palau and Rodney Cutler. And while Guido couldn't be here with us, we did have Rodney, and he kicked it off on Saturday night with a full-on fashion show partnered with Gilt. And that really set the tone with who we are in the industry, in this fashion and beauty industry. And then we've had everyone on stage from Shane Wolf, our general manager worldwide, talking about the rebranding and why we're doing it. Our general manager, Leslie Marino, here for the United States, and really what our ambitions are for 2014 and beyond. And from an education department, we've relaunched virtually the entire education platform, and it's really about helping the attendees here who are our representatives out in the street to own this information and to reconnect with what Redken's all about, and that's about people connecting with people and transforming lives.
Well, you're doing it. People are loving this. I'm having a blast, and you put together a nice little event here. I mean, you've done good.
Thank you so much. It's certainly not me. It's me and an amazing, the best team in the industry that I have working with me, and I couldn't do anything without them and without the support of people like yourself. Thank you so much.
We're loving RAC, and then Symposium in 2015, January of 2015, which is another amazing thing. So again, thank you for having Modern here, and thanks for putting on such a great show. We're having a great time.
Excellent. You know, just speaking of Symposium, because it's coming fast and furious, we do launch online registration February 1st. So make sure to
tell us how to do it. Redken.
You go to redken.com and you can go in the professional section, and you will see we have more classes than we've ever had before, a wide variety. We have international artists joining our U.S. tribe, and it's going to be an absolutely amazing event.
Well, you know what? You have to say it's good. I don't. It is good. It is an amazing event, and I was there one year. You had 10,000 people. You will learn so much if you go. And Las Vegas, 2015 January. It's a fantastic thing. And again, thanks for having us here.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.